Hello and welcome. I'm just gonna do another groove from Mozambique. Here we are on grooves from Mozambique, and this one is called Daneta, and I think it was done by. I have to give you the in the citation. I'll give you the artist from this one. So we are on the. Let's go on to onto the 9th fret. So we are on the 4th string, and 4th string. If you remember here, that's your what is your A there? This one here, A, B, C. Let's play it in the key of C. So you're playing these notes 1, 2, and 2. Okay. It's as simple as that. That's the groove. So it goes. This is a 6th. So I'll say this is A, B. Actually, C is here, and this is a C sharp. We're actually in the key of C sharp. So I take a 6th there. And then I play a 5th, and then up here I take that again, and I take a from up there. I take a 5th, which is that. So putting it all together. So 6th, 5th, 6th, and 5th. Okay, all right. It's as simple as that. The groove is very, very simple and straightforward. So, and again, and then. Okay, so that would be 1, which is 1 in. Take a 6th. And on the same one, you take a 5th, and on 5, you take a 5th. Okay. Okay, so I'm just doing a up and some down, 1 down and 2 ups. Okay, 3 ups. Okay, thank you very much. My name is Vukile. I'll meet you in the next groove. I was doing grooves from Mozambique, wonderful grooves from Mozambique. They're pretty cool and nice to play. Okay, cheers, bye.